Accused claims victim wanted to marry him. Police have registered statements of at least 32 people in the case of Nimrata, with one of the defendants alleging that the victim wanted to marry him. Marin Abro, accused in the case, said Saturday that the victim was in love with him and wanted to marry. He was arrested Thursday. A professor at the Faculty of Dentistry where the victim's body was found also said that Nimrita was worried about a problem in her personal life and that she had talked to the professor several times and cried during the conversations. Medical student Nimrita Kumari found dead at Larkana hostel. "I need the strength to get out of this disaster," he said, saying. However, the teacher added that Nimrita never revealed the cause of her anguish. The police also investigated a man named Wasim Memon for his interest in the relationship. The Superior Superintendent of Police (SSP) Masood Bangish contacted Nimrita's family and asked them to register a case against the Vice-Chancellor of the university. The senior at Bibi Asifa Dental College in Larkana was found dead in his hostel room on Monday. Nimrita, who belonged to Mirpur Matelo, Agotki Taluka, was found lying in a charpoy with a rope tied around her neck while her room was locked inside. Police had said it was early to say if he killed himself or if she had been killed. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.